Hey guys, Foxy Forex Trader here, back with more trade setups for New York and London session. All right, let's get right into the video. We're going to start with gold trade idea. So it's very simple. Gold, we've been headed up, up, up. So that's where I want to keep going. 1 hour fair value gap, as you see here. You're going to place your order. You're going to put it like that. You're going to put it below the start of the fair value gap. And then what you do want to target, you want to target these highs for a nice little 1 to 2. That is your gold trade idea. USD CAD trade idea. As you can see, we have this 4 hour fair value gap, but that is too big. So we bring it down. Ideally, I don't know if we're going to retrace this far, but there's this 1 hour fair value gap, which I would love to see and place an order like this. Stops above all of these highs and target a 1 to 2. Let's have a look. Actually, no, we're targeting these lows as your take profit number 1. And these lows as your take profit number 2. So 1 to 2.5 or 1 to 3.15. Euro USD trade idea. We have this hourly order block. We also have this hourly fair value gap. So we have two confluences. So ideally we do this, stops below the fair value gap, target these highs, 1 to 7.7. GU, you could look for something similar, but EU is looking more clean, so I'm going to be sticking to Euro USD. US 500 trade idea. I would like to sweep these highs, come a bit down, and then look for more lows. I don't know if we're going to get to sweep those highs because we are already pretty far. So we'll see what happens when it reaches the 4 hour fair value gap. But this could something to look for. If it does sweep, then it could be very interesting, but might be unlikely that we're going to get there. Out of USD, it's getting into my limit. I talked about it past few streams that I've been trading in this box, range trading, but I would like to see a sweep, hour for value gap, trade somewhere within there, and then place the stops at the highs. Bitcoin trade. I am currently in this Bitcoin trade. My trade is at break even, or my stop loss is at break even. I would like to see it take these highs again. I don't think it's going to go for all-time highs yet. It could even possibly trade lower. But yeah, I'm currently, what was it? I had a 1-to-1. I could have taken it. That's a bit lower, but yeah, I'll be holding. If it goes break even, it goes break even. If you want to attempt this when it enters this daily fair value gap, by all means, go for it. It's not a terrible trade. You are kind of looking to catch a falling knife, but that's okay. You know, you can see on the lower time frame how it reacts and da-da-da. USD JPY trade idea. We have this 1 hour fair value gap, which we see was used as a support level, resistance level, and it inverted. So now what we want to see is simply go back to that level. We want to put the stops above these highs, and I want to target these lows. Actually, this would probably be my first take profit. And second take profit. Sorry. And lastly, NASDAQ breakdown, trade breakdown. So going into NASDAQ, I was looking at, what was I looking at this morning? Where do we open? 9. Go. Let's see. Let's go on the 5 minute. I don't remember what I was looking at for NASDAQ. Right. There was this hourly fair value gap. See, this is why you gotta mark things off. We had this 1 hour fair value gap. I was thinking we're gonna go into the 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna take a tight stop loss and we're gonna target these highs. I'm gonna do a quick scalp. We inverted the fair value gap, so I was like, okay, this is useless. So then I broke it down onto the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I saw this fair value gap open. We inverted the fair value gap. We consolidated for a few minutes at it. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, a few minutes. I said, all right, I'm pulling the trigger right here. I went for 1 to 2. That was the trade. So yeah, if you guys want to see future trade ideas, breakdowns, subscribe and comment, like, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, see ya.